In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Projects for job costing. We'll walk through the full process of setting up a project, tracking the work and costs connected to it, and then reviewing profitability so you can see how the job is performing. This is especially useful if you want a clearer picture of where your time and money are going on each project. To get started, sign in to your Xero account. Once you're in, look at the top menu and open Projects. This is the area where you can manage individual jobs, track time, record costs, and monitor how each project is progressing financially. Next, create a new project by clicking New Project. You'll usually have the option to set it as either draft or in progress. Draft is a good choice if you're still setting things up and don't want to start tracking activity yet. In progress works well if the job is active and ready to go. After that, select a customer in the contact field. This links the project to the correct client, which is important for keeping your records organized and for invoicing later. Then enter the main project details, including the project name, the deadline, and the estimate. Try to make the project name clear and specific so it's easy to identify later, especially if you manage multiple jobs for the same customer. Once those details are in place, click Create. Your project is now set up. Open it from the projects list so you can begin adding the information needed for job costing. Inside the project, add tasks that reflect the work being done. If needed, assign billable rates to those tasks. This helps Xero calculate the value of time spent on different types of work and gives you more accurate billing and reporting. Next, start tracking time. You can use the timer button while work is happening, or manually enter time if you're logging it afterward. The key here is consistency, because accurate time tracking makes your job costing much more reliable. You'll also want to record expenses and other project-related costs as they happen. This gives you a more complete view of the total cost of the job, not just labor time. As the project moves forward, review the tracked time, expenses, and total project costs, then compare those actual costs to the original estimate. This helps you spot overruns early and understand whether the project is staying on budget. When it's time to bill the customer, create an invoice directly from the project for billable time and expenses. Finally, review the project summary and reports to analyze revenue, costs, and profit so you can measure overall profitability and make better decisions on future jobs. Thanks for watching.